Hi, this is the OPPO A2x and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpapers on this device. So open first the settings app, then tap to wallpaper and style. Click here to the wallpaper section and you'll see here all of the albums which you could use the regular default wallpapers, the online wallpapers, but to use the online wallpapers be sure that you're connected to the internet, to the mobile data or to the Wi-Fi. And also we got here the albums with our different default photos. So just let's select one from the photos. Click to apply, select lock screen, wait a couple of seconds, and that's it. Let's just check. As you can see, that's so simple. Also get one more way how we could do that. Just first hold for a while home screen with a finger, then tap to wallpapers on the left hand corner and by the same way, select one from the available wallpapers, tap to apply, select lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.